Hello guys, welcome to Himmel 356. In today's tutorial we'll learn how we can convert a day picture into a realistic night mode picture. Before we jump into our tutorials, please support us with your subscription. Let's do it. If we observe this picture, there is lot of fallen leaves whose color is nearly brown or red. Also the skin and the hair have some reddish color. So for this picture we will enhance it. If you have a water or waterfall picture where there is lot of blue or green, you can enhance the green and blue so that when we convert our picture into night mode, so those things stand out. Let's make a new selective color layer. We will focus on the red part. That's why select red, and red is opposite of cyan. So if we decrease cyan, the red color will be enhanced, as you can see. Green is opposite of magenta and blue is opposite of yellow. So when you enhance the blue color, you need to decrease the yellow. When you enhance the green color, you need to decrease the magenta. So that was the basic. Now let's add a color lookup layer. So color lookup. There is already a predefined option which will convert night from day. Click on it, but it's too dull, so we need to tweak it. How can we tweak it? Add a gradient map layer. So gradient map, single click on it, select the blue one. There is blue 1, blue 2. Click on OK. Get out from there. Change the blending mode from normal to soft light. Now double click on here, single click. Now adjust the darkness. I think that's enough for us. Click on OK. Now add a new curve layer. So curve. Let's increase the darkness of the curve. Let's add another curve for white enhancement. So curve. Now select the mask and Ctrl+I to invert it, because with this layer we will add some shining on her face, shining for the moonlight, and also some shining on the lips. Let's do it. So select the brush tool, make it a bigger one. Let's just click on her face. Then elbow, then on some lips, let's group them all, Ctrl+G. So this is our original image and this is after our makeover. If you have any confusion or any question about this process, you can comment below, and if you like this tutorial, please like it and don't forget to subscribe for the more contents. Thank you.